How to speed up internet using command prompt. Many of us don't realize that there are several built-in useful Windows Command Sense tools that can resolve the most common issues, such as slow internet. To execute with these CM tricks, you don't necessarily have to be a pro, but just do what's mentioned in the steps. 1. Check internet speed using CM pings to default gateway. You can check your internet connection speed by sending ping packets to your default gateway. To know your default gateway, you can use config all command. Once you get the IP address of your default gateway, start running a continuous ping by typing ping to your default gateway address. The time field value will show you the time taken to get an acknowledgement from the gateway. A lower time value is an indication that your network is faster. However, running a lot of pings consumes network bandwidth as well as your default gateway resources. Though the data packets for ping are very negligible in size, and you might not observe any change in internet speed, but it does consume bandwidth. 2. IP release and renew. If you are using a Wi-Fi connection, you may experience a temporary speed boost by typing in upconfig release and upconfig renew. However, in the case of LAN, this command won't affect speed. 3. Flushdns. Our computer maintains a list of the websites and their corresponding IP addresses that we access the most in the DNS resolver cache. Sometimes, this data becomes obsolete after weeks or months. When we flush our DNS resolver cache using gipconfig flush command, we actually flush out the obsolete data and make new entries in the DNS resolver cache table. Using this command, you might initially experience a slower connection because of the requirement of new DNS lookups for every resource. However, you will soon experience faster loading of the websites in your browser. 4. Speed up internet using command and TPOMAN. Type this command in your command prompt window and observe carefully. If you do not see receive window autotoning level as normal as shown above, then run the following command. Netch in TCP set global autotuning lev equals normal. This command will set your TCP receive window to normal from disabled or restricted state. The TCP receive window is one of the key factors in the internet download speed. Thus, making the TCP receive window to normal will surely help you in increasing your internet speed. After this command, let's check for another parameter of Windows in terms of the slow internet connection called Windows scaling heuristics. To check for this parameter, type Netch interface TCP show heuristics. Once you press enter, you will see an OK message confirming that your internet speed successfully received a boost. After you are done with the aforementioned steps, you can follow step 1 again to measure the time value in getting a ping acknowledgement from the default gateway and check if your internet speed has truly gone up or not. Boost streaming speed by disabling throttling. If you enjoy good speeds generally but are struggling to get the same experience during streaming, your ISP might be the reason. Some ISPs throttle speeds for certain kind of content. To overcome this, you'll need to add a firewall rule. Just type the following command in CM and hit enter. If you enjoy good speeds generally but are struggling to get the same experience during streaming, your ISP might be the reason. Some ISPs throttle speeds for certain kind of content. To overcome this, you'll need to add a firewall rule. Just type the following command in CM and hit enter. Net should firewall add rule name equals stop throttling dir equals in action equals block rema type equals 173.194.55.024.206.111.0.016 enable equals yes. The CM tricks mentioned above are some built-in quick fixes that you can use to make the most of your internet connection. Executing these commands is the first self-help routine you should follow whenever your internet hits a snag. I'm glad to know your thoughts, suggestions, opinions. Just comment down below, like, share, comment, subscribe, and also ring the bell.